So we're going to learn order and tracking. Also we'll run refund. First of all, here is the order. You can see if I go to the link, then you can see there is a ship to the customer name, address, etc. First of all, we have to go on the Walmart link of this product, and then we have to select the quantity as like it. You can see that pack of 12, one quantity, so we have to select add to cart, um, 12. Okay, so now we'll do add to registry, save, then add to list, and then done. So we have to now click on add to cart, and now you can see total 12 quantity, but 12 pack, and we have to input customer details. First we have to input the jeep. Here's the customer jeep, which is, so we have to you can edit or add a new address, no problem with it. So change the jeep. This is WY city, and first name, last name. So street address, this is the street address, buddy. This is the phone number. After that you have to give the phone number of the customer. You don't need to take +1, just that enough. That's the phone number option. Paste and done. And now you have to save it. Save. Something went wrong. What is wrong? Phone number, etc. we give. Okay, so we have to, okay, so we enter the name and everything. Sometimes it's problem, Walmart get problems sometimes, but not a problem with it. We can easily do drop shipping. And phone number, paste, and the zip code. And now WY. Okay, all done now. Okay, now we can save. This time too? Oh, you have successfully added. Okay, now then save. So remove. Okay, so total this. Continue checkout. Okay, so now you have to check that your address is same or not. If your Control FV, if you click that, it will be search automatically. As you can, the Jeep is same, and name is same to copy. Control C, Control FV. So as you see, the name is same, all thing is same, and then give your CVV here and place order. The order will be done, and they will give a tracking number. order number actually, or they give you an order number. You have to take the order number and paste on the seller note. Also paste on the sheet on here as we set up. I will give you the sheet after the course. So we'll give the tracking number like that, something like that. You have to give it on here. Okay, this is the process, total process of order. That's easy and common. And if you want to cancel any order, you can cancel from here. Just you have to click on it, nothing else. And if I show something more you that how to manage inventory. Okay, so how to manage inventory, it is that here you can see active product just available. You have to give the quantity. You can give 100 quantity, you can give 5 quantity, you can give 20 quantity as you want. You can see the lowest price. Here is the lowest price. If you see a click here, you can see who is competitor, your competitor. Your price is suppose $34. Suppose your price is that. If someone do 33.99, you can do here 33.98. This is the price adjusting. You can adjust like that your product. I will do the same as before. Okay, so as I can see that the price is low than me, I can adjust the price as like 5.8 and save. Okay, can you see that? That's how you have to adjust your product. You can see click on active. If you click on active, then you will show your all active products on here. Okay, this is the inventory management. And I can to show you account health. What is account health actually? So as you can see, late shipment. If you your shipment is late, you did a late order or something else, it will show on here. Pre-fulfill cancel rate. If you cancel any order, your show on here. The targeted 2.5. If you do more than 2.5, Amazon will deactivate your account. Something like that. Right, tracking rate, you have to target 95%. So you have to very careful manage the tracking rate. And A to Z guarantee claim. If any customer claim, you can show on here. Negative feedback. If any customer give negative feedback, you can show on here. Chargeback claim. Order defect rate. If you have any order defect rate, it will show on here. So if you go to the performance, first you have to go on performance, and then account health. You can see that feedback. You can check it from here. Performance notification. You can check it on here. Okay, you can everything check on here. And this is the something more fulfilled by seller Amazon. The violations, the complaints, many kinds of complaints, many kinds of violation and policies. You can all see it on here. If there is anything, you will click and see it. Okay, this is the more thing. And the other thing is the go to the Amazon Sales Center. All sale, you can see that your buy box performance, etc. You can all see it from here. Okay, so as you can see that everything is good in here. I don't think you need to know many more things from now. And one more thing, that is refund, and I will show you another video. And that's good enough for now. So and you can confirm shipment from here too, and you can cancel order from here too. This is not a problem. You can easily manage each and everything from here. Okay, and you can see the all more details and quantity, the shipment rates, and all thing. And you not only you can do on it on USA, you can do it on Mexico, you can do it on Canada, and many more countries. You can do drop shipping. Off